How to send pictures from gallery to text messages on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on gallery app. Now here click on folder. So after click on folder, click on this three dot icon and click on select. So you will select pictures from here. So after select pictures, click on share. So you will see messages app is here. Scroll down and click on more. So you will see your phone app is here. So click on messages app. So click on conversation and click on next. So after click on next, you will see pictures is sent on your contact. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can send pictures from gallery to text messages on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.